Hello and welcome to the 11th Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 tutorial. And before I start, I'd just like to say that after revising all of my planned tutorials, I'm going to cut them down a bit now. I was initially going to cover nearly every tool in the application, but I want to get more into the advanced coding and the useful things, the fun things, so expect intermediate tutorials pretty soon, maybe even tomorrow. Okay, now I've got that out of the way. This tutorial is just going to cover how you create a menu, like how you would link forms. So let's create a new project, menu, application, hit OK. Because this is just really basic stuff. You might not really know this, but you know, now you do. Well, after this tutorial you will. So add the add the button and change the text to show form 2. Okay, once you have that up, you need to go to the Solution Explorer on the right, so hover over it, and then whatever you called your project, I've called my menu application, right click it, then click add, and click Windows Form and give it a name. We'll call it form2.vb, and then to access it, simply, well, it should open automatically, but just double click here to access form 2, here to access form 1. Well, anyway, on form 2 let's add a label saying second form, exclamation mark. Okay, so now you might be asking yourself, well, that's still fine and good, but how do I link these forms together? Well, it's probably the shortest code ever, to be honest. All you do is double click your show form 2 button and just type form2.show and then empty parentheses, and hopefully this should work. So if we click show form 2 comes up. Okay, that was just a little, I wanted to just go over that quickly because it's going to be useful for other tutorials, especially the one I'm making next, which is going to be about just a simple login form. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this, if you want to ask anything about it, just leave a comment on the video. If you have a request for a tutorial, just leave a comment, and if you even have a suggestion about how I make my tutorials, then leave a comment too. So please rate the video. I've spent the time to create this tutorial, so please return the favour by rating the video, and also subscribe to the channel for hundreds and hundreds of Visual Basic 2008 tutorials. Thanks.